again, everybody, and welcome to the Concacaf Caribbean Cup. Moca versus AC Port of Spain in an early morning tussle. Flicked along. They're up. Going up. Volley attempt hits the side of the post from Valencia. That was a great go at it from Valencia. And it will be Rochford! He hits the post. That was terrific. There was no chance there for Baez. Charles this time! Crossbar again! Charles, flag down. Charles, smothered. Baez controls. Back on the front foot. Well, that's a delightful pass. Sanchez! He found himself into space. Flag up for offside. This left-hand side, Sanchez. Stop and start. Sanchez versus Baez in action in the 52nd minute. Revelation, Sanchez has been off of the bench. Has to come out. Corner pelted in. It's headed! It's down. It's in. Manuel Vidal has opened the scoring, and Moca has surged in front, 1-0. As well with the change of venue. Chested down. Good flip of the switch. Benny saved off of the line. Charles saved off of the line twice. One more crack. Controlled. Baez. How about the defensive work in your man of the match, Manuel Vidal? Twice saving the day for Moca. Stoppage time, and there is the final whistle. How about Moca? Their first ever CONCACAF competition results in victory. Manuel Vidal's header in the 55th minute proves to be the game winner, but perhaps his biggest moment came at the defensive side, securing 2 balls off of the line in the 75th minute to preserve the shutout and preserve the full 3 points.